Morning. I'm at the Chiang Dao cave. There are no people here. It is so peaceful and so silent over here. The only sound that I can hear is that of my footsteps and the sound of my breath and the water droplets. Pin drop silence. This is the exact meaning of pin drop silence. It is so silent over here. So overwhelming, dude. Really overwhelming. Perched in the highlands of Chiang Rai, some 4,000 feet above sea level, is the Choi Fong Tea Gardens. Visitors can see firsthand how tea is grown. There is a wide array of tea flavors to choose from. Tasting these many flavors, I felt like a kitten who burned his tongue. I have just reached the Golden Triangle. The drive to the Golden Triangle was insane. The plan is now we enter Laos. So that adds to another country that I'm going to visit. Like we're going to go to the Laos market now. Super excited. I wish my bike was along with me to go to the other country. Like I wanted my bike to come along with me, but that's not happening. We'll have to catch a ferry now and cross the other side of the bank, river bank, I guess. Excited, super excited. Yeah, happy that I made it here. It's a long dream come true. Golden Triangle, dude. Yes. The Lao market, I can see only designer brands over here, but the thing is I strongly feel that it's all flooded by Chinese knockoffs, so I have zero confidence of buying anything over here. And I want to show you something. KFC also is a knockoff in Laos, so I'm apprehensive of eating KFC also. Yikes. I'm at the Mae On Song Hot Springs, natural hot springs. The board outside says the temperatures can get up to 50 degrees. I just put my hand inside and it is boiling. One misstep and if I fall inside this pool, I'm sure to become Colonel Sanders' all new crispy fried chicken. I was thinking it'll be in like a normal pool where I can take a dip and all that, but no way. I don't want to be fried chicken, not today, not today. Well, the last time I took a dip in one of the hot springs, which was comparatively less hotter. The thing is, it has a lot of sulfur content and it soothed and relaxed my body so much so that all the riding pain that I had, the body ache and the fatigue that I had, it just vanished as in, like, I felt so relieved. I could wake up fresh in the morning and start riding again. I'm on my way to this place called Mae Sot. It is the border town to Myanmar again. I have to get there on or before 5th of November because my bike has a permit which is valid till 5th of November. If I don't get it renewed soon enough, I might be arrested and maybe put a fine of 1000 baht every day that I exceed the limit. So that is something which I don't want to do it. So I am on my way to Mae Sot and I have met this gentleman. So your name is Jason?
Yes.
Yes, Jason is from Chiang Mai, but he's from China. What is your Chinese name?
Tang.
Tang. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. He's been giving me good company. I don't have Google Maps, I don't have anything. So he's been helping me with the maps. Very good riding company. He's riding a CBR 650, CB 650 is it? CBR 650.
Yeah.
Always good to meet bikers on the way. I respect this gentleman because bikers all around, they actually take time to help people out.
Yeah.
And thank you, Mr. Jason. Thank you. Thank
My
you.
bro, good luck.
I'm at the Mysore border. The visa extension for my bike is done, and now we are headed towards Chiang Mai again. I'm coming in the car with Mr. Jackie Chan. What's your
Yeah.
name? Mr.
Happy.
Prem. Yeah, Mr. Prem, bro.
Yeah, Prem.
Prem is such an Indian name, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, he looks like
been happy.
he looks like Jackie Chan and Mr.
Kobe.
Mr. Kobe. Yes.
Yes.
I'm sitting in the car. It is so comfortable, dude. I want to come in the car. I know I'm definitely butchering the name of the temple, but this is the Wat Rong Siu Ten Temple, also known as the House of Dancing Tigers. The temple is known so because of the folklore that said tigers once roamed this place freely and used to jump across the river, which looked like the dance of the tiger. This monument, which looks like a palace from the Disney movies, is Wat Rong Khun Temple, popularly known as White Temple. The color white symbolizes the purity of the Buddha. It was my last day in Chiang Mai, and I was fortunate to witness the Loy Krathong celebrations, the Thai festival of lanterns and lights. The evening of Loy Krathong is one of the most picturesque festivals in all of Thailand. The people gather around the river to pay their respects to the goddess of water by floating lamps onto the water or into the air. It made me feel like I was in a Disney movie. Having participated in the celebrations, I was extremely delighted to be at the right place at the right time. Having wandered nearly a month in this beautiful land, it was finally time to head back, and I was having mixed feelings. Happy for all the sweet memories, but really sad to leave.
mostly content because the travel bug had bit me, and once it does, there is no known antidote, and I know that I shall be happily infected for the rest of my life.
I have arrived in Maiwadi, which is in Myanmar. Damn, why did I leave Thailand, dude? I miss Thailand already. Shit, dude. This place, I had to look at least 10 hotels where they do not allow foreigners. This is the only place where they allowed foreigners, and for this shitty room where I'm in, I paid $30, dude. $30, which I don't have, and I am only left with 200 cats, that is equivalent to 10 rupees in Indian currency, and I will not even get a bottle of water. If tomorrow I don't find an exchange place, I am done for. I don't know what I am going to do. Oh god, I want to go back to Thailand, dude. Can I do that? I want to go back to Thailand. Shit. It's a bad afternoon. I've entered Myanmar and I'm headed towards this place called Bago. Completed only 70 kilometers and it's running probably 48 degree and the roads are so bad. Not able to concentrate. Oh fuck it. Feel like fainting. Still have 250 kilometers. I don't know how I'm going to cover. I have 10 different emotions going at the same time. Not able to do this. Fuck. Shit. I have to stop here for God knows how long because I cannot risk falling off the bike. That is going to be even more hectic. I cannot handle this. If that happens, I do not want to faint while I'm riding the bike. I want to take my time. I don't care whether I reach at midnight, but I just cannot risk anything happening to me or the bike. If my voice doesn't justify how bad the situation is, then I am not a good speaker, or I'm not able to find words to say what I'm supposed to say. That's it. Yes, need to get through this somehow. Need to get through. Jesus Christ. I have entered the express way in to Mandalay. The thing is, motorbikes are not allowed in the expressway. Apparently there's a fine of $200, which I don't have. $200. So I'll have to take the exit towards the other town and head towards Mandalay. I hope I don't get caught. I came across 2 or 3 highway patrols. They didn't even bother to stop me. They didn't ask me any questions, so I just went on. So like I hope I don't get caught. Even if I get caught, I hope I don't get slapped a fine. That's it. See you. Peace. People who are wiser than me have said, life is a journey because it isn't always pretty, it isn't always comfortable. Sometimes it hurts, it even breaks your heart. But that's okay. The journey changes you. It should. It leaves marks on your consciousness, your heart, and your body. You take something with you. Hopefully, you leave something good behind. With hopes of returning to all of these places and much more, I make my way back towards India.
being a little bit wiser.